This is a reef fish. Reef fish live near coral reefs, which are full of life. They come in many bright colors and patterns. This is a puffer fish. Pufferfish can puff up into a ball when they feel scared. This makes them hard for predators to eat. This is a manta ray. Manta rays have huge wing-like fins that help them glide through the ocean. They are gentle giants and eat tiny food like plankton. This is a sea turtle. Sea turtles have strong shells that protect their bodies. They can travel long distances across the ocean. This is a seal. Seals use their flippers to swim very well. They can swim in the ocean and rest on land or ice. This is a starfish. Starfish usually have 5 arms, but some have more. If a starfish loses an arm, it can grow it back.